Are you looking for an activity-filled take on an all-inclusive luxury experience? Dreams Macao Beach Punta Cana is your answer. From direct access to one of the most beautiful beaches in the world to a seemingly endless array of activities and dining, you'll soon see why this resort has been ranked amongst the top 10 in the Caribbean. Wherever you stay at Dreams Macao Beach, you'll be treated to spacious, elegant accommodations in your suite. Each room is equipped with the all-inclusive amenities of Dreams Resort's unlimited luxury, a private balcony or terrace, and 24-hour room service. Select suites allow you to arrive in a new kind of style with swim-up access directly to your room. Traveling with friends or family? Stay in the uniquely spacious two-bedroom villa, one of just 18 on the property. Guests desiring the most unique experience can upgrade to the Preferred Club, which allows access to an exclusive private lounge, dedicated beach area, pool, and bar, and means you'll be treated to special amenities throughout your vacation. As a guest at Dreams Macao Beach, you'll find new ways to explore your dream vacation. Visit the resort's 4 pools, including an infinity pool, the exciting water park, or the relaxing lazy river. For truly unique family fun, visit Cosmic Lanes, home to an expansive video arcade and a 10-pin bowling alley. If you want to work up a sweat, try tennis or visit the nail-biting rock climbing wall. Plus, the property's expansive beachfront gives you the opportunity to relax in the sand or enjoy the turquoise blue waters of the Caribbean Sea. For the youngest travelers, Explorers Club for Kids and Core Zone Teens Club offers an escape where they can enjoy their vacation their way. Your all-inclusive vacation to Dreams Macao Beach allows you access to the 17 unique bars and restaurants at the resort. From the laid-back atmosphere at Barracuda Beach Bar to the elegant luxury of Bordeaux or Himitsu, where you'll find a la carte French and Asian cuisine, respectively. Catch a game at Desire's Sports Bar, which converts into an exciting nightclub upon nightfall, allowing you to dance to your favorite tunes. When you need to relax, Dreams Spa by Pavonia offers ultimate serenity. From soothing facials to invigorating massages, and in the unique hydrotherapy circuit, you'll experience a truly blissful vacation. The beauty of Dreams Macao Beach is unmatched, with each space made to the finest detail. Here, you'll find a perfect blend between the resort and your tropical surroundings. Your vacation here can only be described one way: a dream come true. Let us book your next getaway to Dreams Macao Beach. Contact your travel advisor today.